So I've been working with a lot of online education organisations, helping them put their education content into an online platform. A lot of that has involved Word documents, PDFs, images and some videos, in putting that content together in a way that they can deliver in their LMS. So it's been happening quite a lot lately, obviously, with the way things are and people needing to use online education. So what I've noticed is that there seems to be a lack of graphical expertise that's being put into the content. What I mean by that is a simple diagram could explain something that is written in 500 words. And that diagram will be much easier for most students to be able to understand the concept. And so what I thought it would be great to do is to put a course together that helps web developers or people that are putting their course content together learn how to create their own illustrations and designs. So to do that, I've got a short course for you. It's called Introduction to Adobe Illustrator for Web Developers. So it's got two parts to it. The first part is to teach you, one, how to use Adobe Illustrator. It's a package that you can use that is part of the Adobe Cloud services. The second part, once you've learned how to design, is to export the design that you've created into a format that you can use on the web that will be clean, crisp, and scalable. And it's using a term called vector images. So you'll learn a lot about that in the course as well. And I'll teach you how to transfer that into your online learning management system, just as part of your content that you would use, just like you're adding an image or a photo or a video and embedding that content into your learning management system. So here's a little promo to give you a bit of info about what the course is about. Hopefully it's useful to you, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Did you know that you can export Adobe Illustrator files into your web page? In this course, Introduction to Adobe Illustrator for Web Developers, I'll teach you introductory techniques on how to use Adobe Illustrator. So if you're very new to it, I'll teach you how to use it, but I'll then also show you how to export the Adobe Illustrator file into an SVG file, which is a scalable vector graphics file. This file will allow you to convert the graphic into HTML and then display it in your content. And as it says, scalable vector graphics. The graphics are vectors. They can be scaled, so as you resize, the images resize and rescale with it absolutely beautifully. It is real text because it's using HTML. You can also apply styles to the text. You can apply styles to the colors of objects, and you can reposition things, and you can also add JavaScript as well. So I'll have a little section at the end to show you how you can go about adding some of those HTML and CSS components to your graphics. You can see here, these are the graphics that we're going to go through. We'll learn how to create the topics. Design, we'll go through the 5 steps of success, what to do with your life, and then the last one, health, where I'll take you through and show you how to create each of these icons as well, which you can create as separate icons for your content. So this is the course. It's called Introduction to Adobe Illustrator for Web Developers. I look forward to taking you through the process. I will see you in the course.